In this video, I'll show you how to change your checkout settings for a quiz created with the RevenueHunt app. First, open your quiz, click Customize, go to the Results page, and open the Results page settings. Scroll down until you find the section called Bar Options. Here you'll see several settings that let you customize the checkout experience for your quiz. For example, you can show or hide the checkout bar at the bottom of the Results page, show or hide the Retake quiz button, show or hide the cart and checkout options inside the quiz, enable or disable the Add All to Cart button, and, if Add to Cart is enabled, decide what happens next. Send users directly to the cart page with all their products, or send them straight to checkout, skipping the cart. Once you've configured these options, click Save. Keep in mind that you won't be able to fully test the checkout flow in the quiz preview. To test it properly, you'll need to publish your quiz to your store and then run it live. To publish, simply follow the steps in the Publish tab of the RevenueHunt app. And that's it. That's how you adjust the checkout settings for your quiz. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.